When it comes to premium smartphones, Apple and Google consistently lead the pack. With the launch of the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro, the rivalry between these two tech giants has reached new heights. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro boasts the powerful A18 Pro chipset, offering unmatched performance, alongside its innovative camera control button, designed for seamless photography. On the other hand, Google's Pixel 9 Pro introduces the Gemini AI, elevating both its camera capabilities and everyday user experience. In this comparison, we'll dive into how these flagship models fare in design, performance, and standout features. The Pixel 9 Pro has adopted a redesigned camera bar that protrudes from the back, a bold aesthetic shift from previous models. This new design aligns more closely with Apple's minimalist philosophy, featuring flat sides that lend it a sleek, modern look. The iPhone 16 Pro, on the other hand, maintains its classic square camera bump, which houses 3 lenses and preserves the iconic flat edge design that Apple users are accustomed to. These design differences not only affect the phone's looks, but also their ergonomics and how they feel in hand. Both phones sport a 6.3-inch display, aligning them closely in terms of size and weight, yet their distinctive designs set them apart in the crowded smartphone market. Also, both the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro feature LTPO panels with 120Hz dynamic refresh rates, ensuring that users enjoy smooth visuals whether scrolling through content or playing games. Apple has boasted that its display can achieve a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, making it incredibly vivid and easy to view even in bright conditions. Google takes the display capabilities a step further with the Pixel 9 Pro, which can reach up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, setting a new standard for clarity and brightness in smartphones. Despite the differences, both devices offer top-tier display quality that should satisfy even the most demanding users. Nowadays, artificial intelligence has become a central focus. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the new A18 chipset, which features an enhanced neural processing unit designed to boost machine learning performance. Apple claims that the A18 chip delivers a 20% improvement in cooling efficiency, which helps maintain high performance levels during extended use. This makes the iPhone 16 Pro particularly adept at handling AI-driven tasks, such as image processing and real-time language translation. Conversely, the Pixel 9 Pro is equipped with Google's Tensor G4 chipset, which is tailored specifically for AI tasks. The Tensor G4 chip supports Google's robust AI functionalities, including advanced image processing and voice recognition. With 16 GB of RAM, the Pixel 9 Pro outpaces the iPhone 16 Pro's 8 GB of RAM, reflecting Android's generally higher memory requirements compared to iOS. However, Apple's iOS is known for its efficiency in managing memory, which often means that less RAM is needed to achieve comparable performance levels. Both smartphones support the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, ensuring high-speed connectivity and future-proofing for upcoming network advancements. At Apple's recent It's Glow Time event, the company showcased its latest AI-driven features, such as visual intelligence and photographic styles. These features aim to enhance user experience by offering improved image processing and customization options. However, some of these features are still in beta and may not be fully accessible to users immediately. In contrast, Google's AI capabilities are already well established and active on the Pixel 9 Pro. Additionally, Pixel devices benefit from an impressive 7 years of OS updates, outlasting Apple's 5-year support window. This extended update period is a significant advantage for users who prioritize long-term software support. Camera technology continues to be a major differentiator between the two devices. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces a versatile 48MP ultra-wide camera that also functions as a macro lens, providing users with more flexibility in capturing close-up and wide-angle shots. Additionally, it features a new camera control button, which replicates the traditional shutter button experience for more intuitive photography. The iPhone 16 Pro also includes a 5x optical zoom telephoto lens, enhancing its zoom capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro, however, is equipped with a formidable 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP periscope zoom lens with 5x optical zoom. Google's computational photography is renowned for its ability to deliver high-quality images through advanced software processing. This, combined with the Pixel 9 Pro's camera hardware, promises impressive photographic performance. Battery life is another critical aspect of smartphone performance. While Apple has not disclosed the exact battery capacity of the iPhone 16 Pro, it is expected to be smaller than the Pixel 9 Pro's battery. Historically, Apple has been able to achieve strong battery performance despite smaller battery sizes due to its efficient hardware and software integration. The iPhone 16 Pro supports charging to 50% in 35 minutes. In comparison, the Pixel 9 Pro supports faster 45-watt charging, reaching 55% in just 30 minutes, which could be advantageous for users who need quick top-ups. In terms of pricing, both the iPhone 16 Pro and the Pixel 9 Pro start at $999. The iPhone 16 Pro begins with 128 GB of storage, which might be limiting for users who frequently record 4K video, although higher storage options are available. The Pixel 9 Pro, priced similarly, offers comparable storage choices but also includes unique AI features that might appeal to users seeking advanced technology. With both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro focusing heavily on AI-driven advancements, the real competition will hinge on how well each phone's software implements these technologies. As AI becomes central to both brands, the rivalry will likely center on the effectiveness of their machine learning and computational features rather than just hardware specifications.